Hi my lovely babies, how are you doing? Smidgen Amber and welcome back to my Dermaroller video. I do have Dermaroller guys video. Dermaroller, my video. You wanna know something more about Dermaroller? I'm pretty sure today you're gonna find out something. Today my video is where and when you shouldn't use Dermaroller. So, where you shouldn't use Dermaroller, I decided to make a table. I'm gonna pause this table over here on the screen. So the table is going to look like this. Body parts. Inside the mouth, the tongue, no Dermaroller. Eyeballs, eyelids, nipples, on the top of the nipple, no. Around, it's fine. Vagina, no vagigi, you cannot Dermaroll it. Butthole, and the big moles. If you have small moles like this, I do have mole over here, sometimes little tiny on the chest, it's fine. I hope you get checked once a year, go to dermatologist and to make sure that these are not cancerous. So if it's little, not cancerous, nothing wrong, you can Dermaroll, it's fine. But if it's big and it's kind of reddish, brownish, like, you know, kind of looks like a little bit bumpy, inflamed, better go to dermatologist and ask. Now about when do not Dermaroll. When you have a keloid scar, this we don't have all the time, so it's kind of a different category. Keloid scar, active acne. If you have like acne bumps inside and they're not inflamed, they're not red, they're not white, you can do it, but not active acne. No skin infections, any skin infection you have, you cannot. On the top of makeup, yeah, yes guys, I have seen on the internet people Dermaroll even on makeup, especially on the lips. While using Retin-A, Accutane, retinol, try to skip like 2-3 days before and after, but my retinol, I have a plant-based natural retinol which you can use 1 hour after. Check out my website, janamra.com. Yeah, you can't use Retin-A, retinol, Accutane because they have extremely drying skin, thinning the skin, and sun sensitive, and you don't want to do something right away with Dermaroller. Sensitive, it's not good. It's not gonna be not sensitive. So when you have bruises, not always, but some bruises, you know, somebody hit you, you never know. Melanoma, when do you have melanoma? No Dermarolling. When you have any rashes, when you have a sunburn, this is extremely important because I get this question very often, especially in summertime. When you have a sunburn, when you can Dermaroll, depends on the roller size you use, depends how bad you burn. If you're red and you're peeling, forget for like at least 2 weeks. If you just a little bit got a tan, you can wait a few days, it's fine. Fungus, of course, no, because it's contagious. You don't want to Dermaroll somewhere where you have fungus on the face and then you're gonna spread all over. When you have warts, I don't know how to pronounce warts. And then eczema and psoriasis, I put in different sections, sort of like yes and no. I myself had a psoriasis and I was Dermarolling and everything was fine. I was doing research with the eczema and psoriasis. This is something, it's not like contagious and it's like internally. You most likely will have to change diet, change some lifestyle, check your hormones and stuff like this. This is something internally, especially stress is huge impact to have eczema and psoriasis. If you have very mild, you can do it, but just be careful. Don't do very often. Just do really once in a while, once a month and stuff like this. And many people ask for rosacea. Rosacea, you actually can Dermaroll, and I do have big research, and I do have video about saying that the 0.20 millimeter you can definitely use for rosacea, which actually in studies been proven help with rosacea. You just have to be very careful. I'm gonna link all this information down below, and I'm gonna link that video about rosacea where I say that you can Dermaroll, what size and how often and blah and stuff like this. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you didn't know something, say yes. If you know, and if you can add something, put down below. I love you guys so much. Please subscribe, click that red button, subscribe right now. I will see you in my next video. Bye.